Module 2 Mini Lecture, The Time Machine, Tuesday, January 15th. Time is too slow for those who wait, too swift for those who fear, too long for those who grieve, too short for those who rejoice, but for those who love, time is eternity. Henry Van Dyke. What do you think of when you hear the words time management? Do you see yourself chained to the clock, trying to cram more work and productivity into every available minute, planning every waking hour so that you can drive toward your goals relentlessly in pursuit of success and money? One of my students told me that it would be silly for him to learn time management since he couldn't manage something he didn't have. His life was already packed to the roof with family life and work obligations, and he'd just added full-time college attendance at Highline Community College. His plan was to do it all by just working harder and sleeping less. Here's what his life looked like when he started taking my college survival class. But I had good news for my student, and it's good news for you too. You do not have to live your life chained to the clock to be successful in college or in life. You can have enough time for all the things you want to do if you learn how to manage time. The first step in learning to manage your time is to use a time monitor like the one in your textbook, see Figure 1 below, to see how you are currently spending your time over the course of 1 week. Time is an equal opportunity resource. Each one of us gets 168 hours per week. All people, regardless of race, gender, national origin, or age, have the same number of hours. No matter how rich you become, you can't buy more time. We all choose how to allocate that 168 hours per week. Start filling in your time monitor today. Use your textbook for ideas to construct broad categories for how you spend your time. For example, if you have a long commute, say a half hour or more each way to school or work, you will probably want to add a time category for commute or driving. Once you identify all your categories, estimate how much time you think you spend in each category in 1 week. Remember, there are 168 hours in a week, so you might want to check the total to make sure you didn't overestimate. At the end of the week, total the actual time you spent in each category and compare it to the time you estimated. Here's Figure 1, all filled out. As a student, it is also important to learn to manage your study time. This week, you will look at an online tool called Bubble Timer to track how you allocate your time to various study tasks. Check in the homework and review folder for complete details on this assignment. Time equals life. Therefore, waste your time and waste of your life, or master your time and master your life. Alan Lincoln. Now, why is there a picture of Stephen Hawking here? Well, for one reason, he's a personal hero of mine, both for his intellect and for his tremendous spirit. Click on his picture to read more about him. But also, just in case you choose to ignore all my great advice about time management, maybe Stephen Hawking will make a time machine for you. Click on the link below the picture if you want to read his fascinating article about time travel.